Hello everyone, welcome to English 101 for the fall 2017 semester. My name is Dr. Shelley Rodrigo. I am your cruise director, aka instructor for the semester. I've got the course set up, at least enough to get you started this week. Things will fill in this week and things will fill in for the first couple weeks as I continue to build out the course. So let's give you a quick tour of the course and help you get started. This is the course homepage. Yours will look a little bit different from mine. Basically, I have a bunch more options because I'm an instructor. But what you should see and pay attention to is up here at the top, you always have recent announcements. Please do check those. I tend to post announcements more than I send emails because I don't want to clutter your inbox. Then what you have is the course modules, and they will list here. Now these will start to get long, so they will always be here, but like once we're over the start here module, which is actually the shortest one, it's just one due date this Saturday, I will move it to the bottom of the pile, and then we'll move on to module 1, which will have a bunch of due dates. Notice everything has a due date associated with it, so it should be pretty clear what is due when, and you just want to click on these and link out to them and you'll get the instructions for what you're doing. Just so you understand, the course will have 3 major projects associated with each of the major modules. The first one will be a genre analysis, so you will basically do primary research where you'll observe a community either you're in or a community you want to be in, say like a future profession, and you're going to focus on it. You're going to consider a discourse community. You're going to focus on their literacy practices, and you're going to do research on how they write and communicate with each other, what that writing and communication does, and what specific genres, and you're going to pick one genre they use to get work done. The second one, continuing on, is you're going to do a discourse community profile. So that community that you research, you're going to do a profile essay, basically sharing information about the community. But again, your profile is going to focus on their communication, their literacy practices, how they use writing and other communication acts to get the work of the community done. Finally, for project 3, you're going to do a profile remix. So basically you're going to take that same information that you produced as an alphabetical text, a profile being kind of a traditional longer magazine or newspaper style genre. You're going to remix it into something a little more fun, something probably that would circulate more on the web, so things like listicles or infographics or video or web page or something like that, and you'll get to choose. The fact I'm saying these things is it means that you'll get to kind of choose what you think best fits publishing about this information. Now, each module you will do what we call invention work or pre-writing, activities that will help you produce the genre. You'll produce a draft of it, you'll do peer reviews, and then you will polish and submit a final version of each project. The way this course is structured is you have the ability to revise and resubmit or submit late just about anything except drafts and peer reviews. The reason drafts and peer reviews are not accepted late is because your classmates, for them to do their work on time, they're dependent on that information. Whereas if you don't turn a draft in on time, it's not weighted too heavily, the world will not end. Peer reviews, you want to make sure you never miss those. I will try to make sure I use something like all caps and make you aware that peer reviews are coming, and don't miss that. Okay, so a couple things. This week, these activities, you're going to do a classic discussion board introducing yourself. It does ask you to attach pictures though. Part of it is I want you to get used to figuring out how to take pictures in the real world and get them in here, or to take screenshots. That's really important. If you ever get stuck, take a screenshot so I can see what you're doing. Student orientation, that's GCC and Maricopa's method of just giving you an insight in how online learning works. Please complete that. That will require that you take screenshots to show you've completed it. There are 4 modules. I expect to see that you completed all 4 modules. Map your work schedule, that asks you to download a document and to basically take a normal week in your life for this semester and to map out when you work, when you sleep, etc., and to show when you're going to do the work for this class. So I'm asking you to try to proactively schedule time in your weekly schedule for being successful with this class. Comment on the course syllabus. The course syllabus, let's go out here, is in a Google Doc. So yesterday, I'm going to link out here to the course syllabus. Yesterday I started a Google folder. That says Share 2017 Fall English 101, and I added you all to it using your GCC Gmail. So basically that means in that folder you all have the ability to edit on documents. So as you can see, someone has already jumped in here. Lee, thank you. I'm asking you to come read the syllabus, and you're required this week, required to make at least one comment on the syllabus. Think about it from my perspective. I'm making sure you get in here. So to make comments, you basically somehow, select the content you want to make a comment on, and then either over here on the right, a little comment icon pops up, or you can always come up here up top to insert comment, and then you can just type the comment in. And because you'll be logged into your GCC email, like it does here with Lee, like it does here with me, we'll see who made the comment, and you have the ability to reply to comments. So I'll probably reply to comments you make, or some of the comments you make. Feel free to reply to one another's. Okay, complete student information survey. It's just a survey where I'm asking for a little information about you, and I will try to use that to contact you all to better support you for the course. And then the homework 6 and homework 7 are both discussion board prompts, and again they're asking you to read some stuff. Let's get into that. Read some stuff, and then oh, I didn't make the link. I'm glad I did this. Let's see and go back if the other one has the link. Does the 7 have the link? No. Oh, weirdness. Okay, I'll be adding links here, but these will link out to a folder that have documents in it for you to read, and then in the document there's these activities called 17C, Analyze to Learn, and you'll be responsible for doing those, posting them here, and then following the instructions. So in both cases it's asking you to read and reply and reflect. I hope that this week goes well. I look forward to getting to know you all, and I appreciate your hard work. I know it's going to be a good semester.